Here's how to uninstall and reinstall NVIDIA drivers. First, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. In the top right corner, change View By to Large Icons. Then, select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find your NVIDIA applications. Your list may look different from mine, but you need to uninstall all applications related to NVIDIA. Select each one individually, click Uninstall, and follow the instructions shown on screen to remove them from your computer. Once you've uninstalled all the NVIDIA applications, restart your computer. After your computer restarts, open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and open it. Use the search bar at the top to search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Then select NVIDIA Control Panel and click blue Install or Get button. If it's already installed, you can simply close the Microsoft Store. Next, open your internet browser and search for NVIDIA. Then, open the official NVIDIA website from the search results, and then select Drivers from the top right corner. Here, you have multiple options. You can manually choose your graphics card and download the appropriate driver if you know your exact model. However, an easier option is to use NVIDIA's automatic driver update tool. Scroll up and find the Get Automatic Driver Update section. Select the option for gamers and creators, then click Download Now to download the official NVIDIA app. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the NVIDIA app. After the installation, open the Start menu, search for NVIDIA, and launch the NVIDIA app. Inside the app, select Drivers from the left side. Then click the drop-down menu in the top right corner and choose the type of driver you want to install. For most users, the Game Ready driver is the best option. Once you've selected your preferred driver, click Download and wait for the latest driver to finish downloading. When the download is complete, click Install and follow the instructions to complete the installation, and that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.